students. Today we are going to learn Geometrical Figures Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn more about circle. In the previous video, Geometrical Figures Part 1, we learned the different types of angles. The video link is given in the description box below. Please do watch it to understand the concept better. Now, let's continue further with circle. Look at these objects. They are all circular in shape. We see many objects around us which are circular in shape. So, let's learn some information about geometrical figures circle and its different parts. So children, this is a circle. A circle has a center point, radius, diameter and chord. So, let's learn about center. This is a circle, as you know. This is its center point. So, in the figure, A is the center of the circle. The points at which these lines meet each other is the center of the circle. Now, let us learn about radius. A line joining from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius. So children, this is a center point and we took one point on the edge of a circle over here as P, and then we joined this line. So this line is called radius. So here AP is a radius of the circle. Children, if we take a point over here and name it B and then join this point to this center, then this line is also called a radius. So a line joining from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Now, let us learn about diameter. A line joining any two points on the circle passing through the center is called diameter. So children, this is the center of the circle. And if a line passes through a center and join any two points on the circle is called diameter. So children, always remember, diameter passes through the center of the circle. Hence, line MN is the diameter of the given circle. Diameter is also the longest chord of a circle. Now, let us learn about chord. A line joining any two points on the circle is called chord. So, let's take any two points on the circle. So here we took point P and point Q and joined these points. So this line PQ is called chord of the circle. Look at each circle. Is the line shown by the arrow a chord, a diameter or a radius of the circle? Write it in the box below. So children, in the first box, the arrow shows center of the circle. Now, in the next box, this arrow shows chord of the circle. You have learned when a line joined any two points on the circle is called chord. In the next box, the line passes through the center of the circle and join two points of the circle. So, this line is called diameter. And children, a diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Now, in the next box, arrow shows radius of the circle. Because when a line joining from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called radius. Now, we will learn about geometrical figures, the vertex and side of a rectangle, square and triangle. We have learnt in our previous class what is rectangle, what is square, and what is triangle. So, let us observe the figures and complete the table below. So, here some figures are given and we have to write names of figure, number of sides and number of corners. So, tell me, which figure is this? Yes, this is rectangle, and rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now, the next figure is of square, and a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And the next figure is of triangle, and triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's learn something more about rectangles. Children, this is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 edges, that is 4 sides. A point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. Children, look at this point. 2 sides, this one and this one. These 2 sides of a rectangle meet here. So, this point is called vertex. So, in the figure alongside, A, B, C and D are the vertices of this rectangle. Here, side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD are the sides of the rectangle. The opposite sides of the rectangle are of equal length. So children, here AB and DC, these 2 lines are opposite lines. So these lines are equal in length. And here line AD and line BC, these lines are also equal in length. All the angles of a rectangle are right angles. A rectangle is also called a right angle quadrilateral. Let's learn something new about square. This is square. A square has 4 edges, that is 4 sides. A point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. So here P, Q, R, S are vertices of the square. All the sides of a square, side PQ, side QR, side SR and side PS are equal in length. You know that a square has 4 equal sides. So here side PQ, QR, SR and PS, all sides are equal in length and the length is 4 cm. Now let us learn about triangle. So this is triangle. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. So here X, Y, Z are the vertices of the triangle, and XY, YZ, XZ are the 3 sides of the triangle. A triangle has 3 angles. Look at the figures and complete the table below. Now, one table is given here and we have to write names of sides and names of vertices. So here, first figure is of triangle, right? This is triangle A, B, C. Okay, so let's write its side. So, first side is AB, next will be BC over here. This is AB side and this is BC side. Now next side will be AC. This one AC. Now let us write vertices. So vertices are A, B and C. These are vertices of this triangle. So let us write B and C. Now next figure is of rectangle. Here P, Q, R, S. Now let us write names of sides. So one side is given here, side PQ. So this one, PQ, this side. Now let us write next side. So next side will be QR, this one, QR. And next will be RS. And the next will be side PS. Now let us write vertices. One vertex of this rectangle is given here, vertex P. Now let us write next vertex, Q. Then R and then S. Now next figure is of square, L, M, N, O. And the sides are side LM, this one LM, then MN, then side ON, and the next side is LO. Now let us write vertices. So first vertex is given here, that is L, this one. This vertex is given here, L. Let us write next vertices. So next vertex is M, N and O. That's all for today, children. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye-bye.